Disposable wipes have been causing problems in communities around the country, and Evansville is no different. Wipes used for changing diapers, personal hygiene, house cleaning, and more cause significant problems when flushed down toilets. Though many of these products are labeled flushable or septic safe, they are not. The same goes for baby wipes, paper towels, and other products. Please do not flush any of these things down the toilet. Disposable wipes clog homeowner and municipal sewer pipes because they don't break down the way toilet paper does. On average, Evansville Water and Sewer Utility lift station crews pull around 100 pumps a year for cleaning. Most of those pumps must be cleared of trash, rags, wipes, and debris, presenting an extra challenge for our utility workers. When a lift station is clogged, it can't function, causing the water level in the lift station and upstream to rise until there is an overflow. Sewer overflows can be at the station, a low manhole, or into basements with malfunctioning backflow preventers. This can threaten human health and cost the utility and residents a lot of money in additional maintenance costs. Evansville Water and Sewer Utility encourages everyone only to flush toilet paper, not disinfecting wipes or other non-flushable items. Flushing only toilet paper helps ensure that toilets, plumbing, septic systems, and sewer systems will continue working properly to manage our city's wastewater safely. If you must use wipes, put them in the trash, not the toilet. Wipes clog pipes.